Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ajido aro recipe nodon ani ase. First time I'm going to cook also. Ito to tin fish. Aro first time ito bamboo shoot ito tin fish nisna na. Ready made ito be. Yate haliboli ingredients to ito kan ase. Tomato, garlic, green chili, and onion and coriander leaves. So after removing this is the one bamboo shoot. Man pal thai are to tin fish too. Both are gravy, water. Bamboo shoot la pani are to tin fish la. Put the coconut oil, cooking oil. Tomato or green chili to halidise. We'll cook for some time, just like 3-4 minutes. Then later we'll put the ingredients. How the masala sasala kanto. Ito lang pagi na halibole. Chili powder. Ito put a little spicy. Bamboo shoot water. So, tin fish lang. I will let it cook 5 minutes. Just gravy now before putting the things. Now I'm putting bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot to hali ase. Yete nimok pinay de bamboo shoot de kun nai. Khali it's soft. No sour, no salt, nothing. Only I think boil. Putting the fish, canned fish. Wow, easy. बहुत अच्छा होगा भाई रे. My last ingredients, garlics, or coriander leaves. This will be the last ingredients. Let me taste the salt. A1, perfect. So आज करने तो इतनी दे इतु रेसिपी दिखाई दिखे अपन हम भी ट्राई करो सभी हमें भी फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करो बोले से. So that's it for today. Thank you.